These are the content of presentation.
A very good evening to my respected teacher and my dear friends. I hope you all are safe at home. I am Ravina from 3A Group 4th year and today our group will represent the topic Salmonellosis. Let's get started. Salmonellosis is an infection caused by Salmonella bacteria, commonly caused by contaminated food and water. It is most common among children and people with compromised immune system, and babies and also older age people and people with AIDS are most likely to have severe cases.
1.2 million illness and approximately 450 deaths occur due to non-typhoid salmonella annually in United States. An infection with salmonella bacteria usually affects gastrointestinal system, stomach, intestine in human. In more severe cases, salmonella can spread to blood, bone, or even the fluid around the brain. But these type of infections are less common.
Etiology of Salmonellosis. Pathogen of Salmonellosis belong to the Salmonella genus. There are more than 2000 serologic types of Salmonella. The Salmonella group are decent due to the structure of the O antigen. The disease in 80 to 90% of the cases is connected Salmonella typhimurium, Salmonella Heidelberg, Salmonella annatum, Salmonella derby, and Salmonella enteriditis. These pathogens have high stability and
History of Salmonellosis. Salmonella was first discovered in 1884 by Daniel Elmer Salmon. He isolated the bacterium from the intestine of the pig. By 1980, more than 30,000 people reported to infect with Salmonella.
Geographical distribution. Worldwide, related to the animal husbandry, serotype distribution varies on geographical distribution. For example, subtype of Salmonella paratype A isolated from some countries like India, Pakistan, and Malaysia. Excitation program is organized in some countries, for example, Sweden, US serotype 2019, enteritis.
Symptoms of salmonellosis: acute diarrhea, abdominal pain, headache, vomiting, fever, chills, myalgia.
They are transmitted by the oral fecal route, direct or indirect. The direct contact with an infected animal or environment, and indirect, they are transmitted by contaminated food, water, and utensils.
Pathophysiology of Salmonellosis. Bacteria colonies in the ileum, the end part of small intestine. They invade intestinal epithelium. They expand within the epithelium and lymphoid cavities. The invasions happens when organisms start to ruffle. The way they eliminate the pinocytosis.
Classification. Two broad classification: non-typhoidal salmonella and typhoidal salmonella. Non-typhoidal salmonella carried by both humans and animals. Example: Salmonella javinia and Salmonella enteriditis. Typhoidal salmonella carried only by humans. Example: Salmonella typhi.
non-typhoidal Salmonellosis. Salmonella enterica is an infectious agent of non-typhoidal Salmonellosis. Epidemiology. Leading cause of bacterial diarrhea worldwide. 94 million cases of gastroenteritis and 0.1 million deaths globally each year.
Clinical presentation. Equation period 6 to 72 hours, but illness usually occur within 12 to 36 hours after exposure.
This prevention, but it is two type: foodborne disease and animal contact. First is the avoid raw or undercooked eggs, poultry, milk, meat, and etc. It's a wash food before eating. Avoid cross-contaminated of food.
Infection is diagnosed when the laboratory test detects salmonella in blood test, body fluids, tissues, and stools. This test isolates the culture of bacteria that detects the genetic material of the bacteria.
treatment of salmonellosis, your doctor might suggest that you drink a rehydration liquid like Pedialyte or take a medications like loperamide, Imodium if your diarrhea is severe. If your doctor confirm that you have salmonella infection, they might prescribe antibiotics.
Thank you for watching.